Sometimes when we go for clients, we're expecting a commitment way too fast without actually nurturing them. Let's give it as an example. If you did walk into a bar and you saw this beautiful girl at the bar and you bought her a drink, straight away you went in for the kill and you went, right, that's it. Let me propose and will you marry me? The girl's going to tell you to get lost. She's not interested at all because you've gone in way too fast. You've asked for a commitment way too quick. You've got it all wrong, mate. That's not how you go and win a girl. What you've got to do is go and chat her up at the bar, buy her a drink, get her phone number, text her a few times, get her out on a date. And then after a few months, once you've nurtured that relationship a bit, then maybe you can go in for that commitment. And that's really similar to sometimes what we expect with estimates. Sometimes we'll send an estimate over for a £200,000-300,000 job. The client's only met you once. You've been around there to price the job once, and you send an estimate over and you're expecting them to hand their life savings over to you and trust you to complete a project. We're asking for commitment way too fast.